भैया. Hi guys, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you and me together are going to explore a market for Diwali shopping, and we are going to Sadar Bazaar in Delhi. Now I've never visited that place before, but I've heard that we really get amazing and affordable items for Diwali decoration. I'm so excited to go to that place. Let's see what all we get this year for Diwali. So let's go.
आठ मीटर से नीचे का है ही नहीं है।
भैया ये कितने का है?
180।
180 नहीं भैया, ठीक लगाओ।
160 हो जाएगा, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा।
पक्का?
जी।
पक्की बात?
जी।
This one. Thank you, भैया. Thank you. Thank you, भैया. Thank you. So I got like hell lot of stuff. So you guys get ready for a short haul. So today I went to Sadar Bazaar market, which is in Delhi. It is near to Chandni Chowk, like 10 minutes away. Now that market is basically famous for wholesale items, and there people go to buy stuff in bulk. I went there and it was an amazing experience. I got a lot of stuff. I went there with my mom, and honestly there were a lot of people there. Huge crowd. It felt like the whole Delhi is there. So it was a nice experience, and I've shopped a lot. What all I went through, it started raining, there was a huge crowd. I couldn't shoot there. It was so difficult to move around with the camera, but I managed somehow. So now I'm going to show you what all I got from the market. So the first thing I got is this pretty little thing here. I really liked it. This was the first item I purchased, and it has birds and some bells. I can hang it in any corner of my house. So I really liked it. I wanted to buy it. So I got this for rupees 160. So the next thing I got was this, which are very pretty latkans. They are all colorful. They have umbrellas and elephants and then bells at the end. I really like them. I thought they're very pretty. Guess what? I got them for rupees 80, like 40 each. I think that was pretty affordable. So the next thing I got is this pretty diya, which is all golden and blue. I hope you guys can see, and this looks very pretty. I got this for rupees 20. Yeah, rupees 20. Like I bargained a lot, no doubt, but yeah, I got it for rupees 20, and I think it's a great deal. So the next thing I got are these pretty flowers. They're artificial, of course, but I got them in this color because they're matching in my room, so I'll somehow decorate it. And I really like them, so I got them. So I got them for 20 rupees each. So the next thing are these diya lights, which look very pretty when I light them. I'm going to show you how they look. So I got them for rupees 150. Okay, so now I got this bandanwa for my house. I wanted something very sleek, not too bulky, so I got this. And it's all colorful. So I got this for rupees 150 after bargaining a lot. Yeah. Another set of diyas which are so pretty. I really love them. Look at this, the color combination and everything is so nice. I got them for rupees 170. I think it was a little costly, but I couldn't resist myself. Next I got these balloon candles. Yeah, these are those lights which you light up and then leave it in the air. I'm so fantasized with these lights. I'm really gonna blow them this Diwali. So yeah, I got one for pink and one for yellow, and I got this for, guess what, just 20 rupees each. So the next and the last thing is this, which is by far my favorite pick. These are dhundiyas which have a rose in between and then blue and silver glitter and everything. I so love it. They're so pretty, and I got this for rupees 80 for 3. Yeah. So guys, that's about it. That's all I got from Sadar Bazaar today. Let me know in the comment section what you think about my picks. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't. I'll see you next time with another Diwali video. Till then, you guys take care and happy Diwali. Bye.